Welcome to today's Mobility Everyday video. We'll be doing a simple routine to ease morning stiffness in the joints. So this often happens when we wake up first thing in the morning especially. We feel stiffness everywhere, particularly because we didn't move much from sleeping and our joints feel really tight. So to start, I like to move the pelvic and hip joints. This is the best place to start mobilizing the body first thing in the morning because the hips and the pelvis are right at the center of the body, and if we move from here, it's the best place to start to move the upper and lower body by preparing it. Vary the pace if you like and start to shift your pelvis more swiftly from side to side. Now bring your legs to hip width apart. We're going to start to move the arm, elbow, and wrist joints here. So bring one arm to shoulder height, extend your elbows, flex your wrist, and reach out to the side, straighten your arm as much as possible. Imagine you're pushing a wall away at the side. Keeping the torso straight and still as you do that. And slowly extend both arms out at the same time, keeping both at shoulder height. And with your elbows still extended and wrist flexed, start to draw medium to big circles, circulating the humerus head, which is your upper arm bone in the shoulder socket. This may look like an arm movement, but not quite. We're actually hydrating our shoulder joints here. Do it slowly, deliberately. And now, crossing your arm in front of you, bending your elbow as you pull back, keeping the torso straight. Remember to keep your wrist flexed here. Circling in front of you and bringing it to the side. We are also stretching the tissues in front of our shoulders. Now slowly extend both arms out and start to arch your spine and curl your spine. As you arch your spine, expand your chest, bring the arms up a little bit, curl your spine, your arms will go down a little bit. So note that the arms are not actively bringing it up or down. They're following the movement of our rib cage here. As we arch, the rib cage goes up. As we curl down a little bit, the rib cage goes down a little bit. We are using the rib cage to move the arms and the shoulders, essentially mobilizing the upper spine. Loosen up your wrist a little bit because we've been flexing it for a while. And from here, we're going to start to move the hips from side to side by transferring our weight. Tap one foot down and followed by the other. Transfer the weight to one side while keeping the torso and the pelvis straight. Fold from the hip joints. Make sure you don't feel any pulling in the knee, and if you do, fold more from the hip joints. Now let's combine it with arm movements. Bring one arm to the front and push it to the side. So turn your torso and your arm towards the side of the bent leg, the leg that is bearing weight. Bring your legs a little bit wider, step a little bit more here, like you're pounding the base of the feet on the ground more. And with that, we want to increase the pace a little bit. Make it more rhythmic, pushing to one side. Pushing from one side to another more swiftly. And fold from the hip joints more. Can't say that enough. Shift your pelvis to one side, side bend, and look diagonally up. It will bring us to a deeper side bend here. So shift your pelvis to the left, side bend to the right, opening up the torso on the left and look diagonally up. Repeat the same on the other side. When you're ready, bring the arm up, have it overhead, palm face up. It will help to ease shoulder tension. Remember to shift the pelvis before you side bend, then bring the arm up overhead with the palm face up. It will help us to go deeper into the side bend. Ease up everything we just did with smaller range of motion but faster rhythmic pace here. Shift your pelvis from side to side and swing your arms in front of you to loosen up the last bit of tightness, if there is, in the nooks and crannies of your whole body, all the main joints there are. And vary it with long sticky movement where we slow down but push our body a little bit further. Shift your pelvis and hips further, bringing your arms up more and bringing your body to the side more. Smile as you do that because your body will love this, releasing so much hidden tightness or accumulated knots in the peripheral joints as well as the big joints. Stretch out your arms, fold from the hips and go for a deep squat here. Lift the back heel. It will help you to go lower. So this is also a very nice ending. It's a curtsy. Thank you so much for moving with me. And if you're still here, I hope you like the content. It's a routine that I come up with on my own. Mobility moves is something that I teach to my clients and I want to share it here on YouTube. If you find it helpful, do like, share and subscribe. It will help me very much to grow my channel. I would appreciate very much. Also, it will motivate me a lot. With that said, keep moving, keep getting better. Our body loves it when we move. We are born to move. Like, share, subscribe, and thank you so much. I'll see you very soon in the next video. Movement has been my form of self-care for over 20 years, and I want to show you how you too can move and take better care of yourself every day.